Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 cup milk, 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons melted butter or vegetable oil. Step-by-step instructions. Beat the egg and sugar. Crack the egg into a bowl. Add the sugar and whisk until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add the milk. Pour in the milk and mix well with the egg mixture. Sift in the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, mix the flour, salt, and baking powder. Gradually sift them into the wet mixture while stirring to avoid lumps. Add melted butter or oil. Pour in the melted butter or oil and stir until the batter is smooth. Cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Serve warm. Serve the pancakes with honey, jam, chocolate syrup, or fresh fruits. Enjoy!